section. This is preparing for algebra. We're still on chapter 5, page 171. My name is Susan. Be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, buy a book, all links below. And we're now on discounts. So, have you ever been in a store and seen 20% taken off the price of a shirt? I wonder how much this shirt originally cost. Well, here's how we do it. So, for example, a calculator costs it's on sale for 20% off of the regular price of $20. How much does one calculator cost? So, 20%, 0.2 times 20 is $4 off. $4 off the 20 gives us $16. The calculator cost is $16. So original price times the percent discount amount, and then the original price minus that discount amount equals the sales price. There are 3 problems here. Go ahead and finish these word problems. Good luck. Let me know if you stumble on any of them and I'll help you out. We're going to continue to reinforce the discounts and finding original price, or finding the discount. We can go both ways, obviously, it's math. So if we know what the discount was and we know the price after that discount, we can calculate the original price. So it's just a matter of what is given. If enough information is given, we can always find the original price, or find the discount, or find the sales price. The price of a pair of sneakers is $140 after the discount. The discount was 40%. What is the original, or what was the original price? So the 140 represents only 60% of the original price, correct? If 40 is off, that 140 is in fact 60% of the original price. And before we move on, I want you to see this sentence. 140 is 60% of the original price. Is equal of is times. Original price we don't know. That will become a variable. The original price was reduced by 40% to get the 140. So estimate the logic here is 100% the original price minus 40 leaves you with 60. So there's several ways to set this up. In the example here, we've set it up as a proportion, which is 140 over X, so sales price, original price, and discounts at 100%. Cross multiplication to solve this, X ends up being $233 for the original price. Now, a shortcut I would do is if the original price is reduced by 40, then the sales price must be 60% of the original price. Therefore, sales price, right, divided by 60 equals the original price. Or 140 equals 6.60 times X. You know what you do is then divide by 60 on both sides, and it gives you your original price. We'll have more problems on 73. We're going to have some more problems on finding the original price, and here's our 3 problems here. So if you got the original price, then what we know, if something is 25% reduced, that discounted price 90 equals actually 75% of the original price. So we can go 90 equals 0.75 X, original price, divide both sides by 0.75, and that will give you your original price. Go ahead and try to do the next 2. And we'll see you on the next page. 74, we're finding what the discounts are instead of the original price. And in the example here, we have the original price, we have our sales price, and we have saved $30. So we know these 3 things. And when you look at the problem setup, it's 30 over 150 equals 20%. So when asked in the problems what percent of 150 is 30, and that's the way you would read that problem. What percent of 150 is 30, right? Or what percent of 210 is 70? What percent of 560 is 100. Do the division, come up with a fraction, and then convert it to the nearest hundredths, and then to a percent. Okay? All right, great. 175. So we're finding what the discounted prices are again on this page, but this time we're using cross multiplication. So we're looking for the discounted price. We are given the original price, in the case of the backpack, $135. And that, in fact, will be 75% of its value being the discounted price, because we're taking 25% off of 100% of the original price. So if you do cross multiplication, 135 times 75 equals X times 100. Divide both sides by 100. And the sales price is $101.25. So let's go ahead and calculate the new price after a discount. So set it up just like we have done here in the example. You have discounted price over the total cost, $235, equals, if that discount was 40%, the new price is 60% of that total price, 60 over 100. Just go ahead and set it up just like that, all of them, and do cross multiplication. We're on page 176 of Preparing for Algebra. We've got some more finding of discounts. So let's go through the example. This time we're looking for the actual discount percentage. We know what the original price is and we know what the discount is. So the original price is $4, the discount is $2. My guess is you can figure out what that discount percent is. It's 50%, right? 2 is half of 40. 2 is half of 4. So check it out. So what do you have? What do you know? And what is X? What's that going to represent? X for now is going to represent percent off. So you can see we've done cross multiplication, and X is 50, or 50% in this case. 50 out of 100 is 50%. Go ahead and find the discount on this next problem, and be sure to read the bubbles. $177, we're going to go ahead and continue to find original price through solving these two little word problems. There's an example, follow it exactly, and we'll see you on the next page. Remember our shortcut, sales price divided by, in this case, 65% is the original price. So remember how easy this is, and just stay organized, okay? All right. 178 and 179 are reviews and discount. Let's go through the first one together, and then I want you to solve the next two on your own. So you have the original cost of the jeans is $40, and the discount is 25% off the original price. What is the new price for the jeans? So 40% will equal 75% of the new price, X. All you need to do is divide 0.75 on both sides of the equation to give you your answer. So 75% of 40 will give you the new jeans discount. Go ahead and figure out the next two. Answers are in the back of the book. Page 179 of the review, the discount review, you have a table here that I want you to fill in. The first one is filled in as an example. The marked price, or the original price, is $50. The discount rate is 50%. You can figure this very easily out without any math. 50% of 50 is 25, and then the sale price is also 25. And all we did was multiplied 50 times the 50% of 50, and in the next one, 10% of 10. Again, you don't need a calculator or anything, just think it through. All right, go ahead and answer the next few questions as well, and we'll move on to the last section of Chapter 5. Well done.